I want to set this up. This was an older home, probably 40, maybe 50 years old. This is a return air chase, and you know, I've spoken to builders over the years about not using a building frame as a chase to pull return air through. They're very leaky. So let's go see how this one looks, and I'll show you what we mean.
All right, so this is the opening of the return chase. That's the grill, and here's the opening. You can see on the right the amount of air that's being pulled in. This is an interior wall. This is the heat in the wall that the return air is drawing down the top of the drywall. So we're going to pan up. That's the cold, or the regular temp of the wall inside. And we're going to go inside the return air, and we're going to pan up, and we'll be able to see the heat signature. Stop here. That's the camera angle, and this is where the heat is coming in those two corners. So we'll keep coming back out, and you'll see there's the corner with the heat coming right in the crack of the corner and on the back of the drywall from the other room. That's a closet straight ahead there, and a bedroom on the other side. Now we're going to go into the foyer and look from the other direction, around the corner. There is the lid, or the grill for the return chase, laying on the floor, and the filter. I just stood it up by the corner. And we'll pan up. We're in the formal living room looking through the foyer, and you can see the amount of heat that is being pulled into the return chase. The blue, of course, is the colder part of the chase there. Interesting. So you certainly do not want to use the building chase as your return air. You want to use a ductboard, and if you do use the return, if you use a building frame as a return air, you want to seal it, caulk it, air tight.